Today I'm reviewing Climb Credit, a platform that's gained traction for its approach to student loan refinancing. As someone who's explored multiple student finance tools, I wanted to share my genuine experience navigating this particular site. When you first land on Climb Credit's homepage, the interface is modern and clean. The navigation is straightforward, with clear categories for refinancing and loan offerings. It's designed to appeal to students and recent grads, which makes sense given its target audience. I began by checking out their refinance section. Climb Credit claims to offer competitive interest rates and a quick application process, so I put that to the test. The pre-qualification only takes a few minutes and doesn't impact your credit score, which is definitely a plus. They ask for basic information like your current loan details, income, and credit profile. Once submitted, I received estimated rate offers almost immediately. The rates were decent, not the best I've seen, but certainly better than many traditional banks. One thing that stood out, though, is that Climb Credit partners with a network of lenders, which means your experience might vary depending on which lender you're matched with. This introduces some variability that could be a downside for users looking for a more standardized process. The platform does a decent job explaining this, but I still found some parts of the lender terms and fine print to be a bit opaque. Climb emphasizes transparency, but in my experience, some of the details about total repayment amounts and term comparisons were a bit buried. I had to dig into the FAQ and support sections to get clearer answers. Customer support was responsive, though. It took about 24 hours to get an email reply, and the agent was helpful and professional. Many useful links you can find in the description. Climb Credit also highlights its mission to make career-building education more affordable. They're more than just a refinance company. They also offer financing for education programs in tech, healthcare, and other fields. This dual purpose might be great for users who are still in school or looking to upskill. However, if you're just here for refinancing, the extra content about school financing can feel a bit distracting. Security-wise, the platform uses standard encryption and privacy protocols. I didn't encounter any issues with uploading documents or receiving emails, which is a relief given the sensitive nature of loan applications. One frustration, though, was that not all lenders allow you to set custom payment dates or automate bi-weekly payments, features that I find incredibly helpful. In terms of eligibility, Climb Credit is pretty flexible. They work with a range of credit scores, although, of course, better credit gets you better rates. There's no cosigner requirement, which is excellent for independent borrowers. That said, I'd love to see more detailed breakdowns of how your credit profile affects the rates shown. Transparency in this area would be a big win for user trust. Overall, Climb Credit offers a solid student loan refinancing option, especially for users new to the process. It's not perfect, but the quick rate check, flexible terms, and accessible design make it worth considering. I'd advise you to compare it side by side with a few other platforms to ensure you're getting the best deal. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your own experience or questions. Your support helps me keep making content like this.